I love the lenses from IRIS because I know that they're safe.
I love the lenses from IRIS Amsterdam because they are made from silicone hydrogel. These lenses are the perfect combination of the permeability of silicone.
I love the lenses from Iris Eyes because I know they're safe. Our eyes are very important to us, and keeping them out of harm's way is absolutely essential.
This is why I love Iris Eyes so much. The problem is that our eyes only have one single colour, so naturally that makes it difficult for us because it limits our wardrobe options.
Okay, you guys, I've got some contact lenses or color lenses, and the color is bright gray, and I put already one in my eye, so I don't know if you can see it. So I've got brown eyes, dark brown eyes from myself, and it's bright gray, so it's a little bit like green grayish on my eyes. So I've just put the second one in my eye, and this is the result. And this is the package. Well, this is the nymph blue on my eye, and it's a little bit green blue with brown. Okay, this is how it looks like, and yeah, I don't know, it's yeah, I don't know, it's beautiful. Nymph fairy blue. Do I look like a fairy? I don't know, you can decide. But yeah, this is the result, so voila.
Our eyesight is important, and keeping our eyes out of harm's way is absolutely essential. It's pretty much safe to say that these colored contacts are just as safe as ordinary contact lenses.
It's safe to say that colored contact lenses are just as safe as using ordinary contact lenses. The only difference between the two is the fact that colored ones are, well, colored.
The silicone hydrogel contact lens is also suitable for long time wear because of its high oxygen permeability and eye corneal protection.
Furthermore, they work the same as ordinary contact lenses, so you have nothing to worry about when wearing these.
In order to increase the visual quality, a spheric design has been chosen. It allows me to wear them for long periods of time while still being comfortable.
Also, Iris is phenomenal when it comes to customer service. They contacted me back almost immediately when I had questions and made sure that every question was answered. And when I ordered, I got my contact lenses within a week. Absolutely phenomenal. You cannot go wrong with Iris.
We are forced to limit certain colours since they don't match your eye colour. Well, luckily for us, you can put an end to this problem by getting yourself coloured contact lenses from Iris Amsterdam with the desired colour that will match your Sunday afternoon wardrobe selection easier. I believe beauty has no set standard and should have no boundaries.